CMA week here in Nashville, but it's a big old night for Country Outdoors. We got the first ever Country Outdoors wild game cook-off. So our buddy Jared Mullins and Mary have been wanting to raise some money for Catch a Drink for quite some time. So today's finally the day. We got 4 brand new Treager grills being sent. We got a cooler full of meat from Mossy Oak Butcheries. Hoist is bringing the drinks. Ag America's getting everybody fired up, and a lot of people coming to help. So for the cooks, we got Dylan Marlowe, Dillon Carmichael, Stemaly, and Devlin Hodges. And for the judges, I believe it is Tyler Farr, Meghan Patrick, Stell, and Mr. Moon. If you don't know Mr. Moon, you should. And should be a great day. Hopefully we raise a whole bunch of money. Should be a very good event.
Kickoff. I'm not really sure who I think is going to win this competition. I think that Devlin's probably pretty strong in for the race. Who do you think is going to win?
Dillon.
Bias.
All right, we're here with the chefs. Dylan, you're the biggest chef here. Do you think that gives you an advantage?
I'm just flying by the seat of my ass here.
Have you done this before?
I have cooked jambalaya before, I will say that, because I really love jambalaya.
Well, we expect big things out of you, and good luck. I wish you luck today.
Thanks, but yeah. Cheers.
Don't mess it up. Moving on. You're the skinniest chef here. Do you think that puts you at a disadvantage?
No, actually my calorie intake is over 3,000 calories a day. The good Lord above just doesn't want me to get big. Cooking a bison ribeye, but it's unlike any other bison ribeye that anybody that's ever cooked a bison ribeye has ever had a bison ribeye.
Have you ever seen a bison before?
I have never seen a bison, no.
I think he's going to get 3rd place. Just going to call it right now. Moving on. Duck.
How we doing?
Interviewing people.
That turkey leg?
No, it's a microphone. Nickname's Duck. So are you cooking a duck?
Unfortunately, that wasn't a option. Cooking a bison ribeye, kebabs.
The guy right next to you from Georgia's cooking a bison ribeye.
Well, I can say that these Traegers, I like to call myself a pro on them. And I have had bison ribeye before. I've never cooked one, but that's all right. Hey, it's going to be the best one I've cooked. If I win today, there's a good chance at Hell's Kitchen, I'm coming for him.
I would. Well, good luck today. Sean Deere.
How we doing?
Do people really call you Sean Deere?
Yes, they do. They call me that since I was 15.
Does that mean you're going to cook a deer?
No, I'm cooking elk for the first time.
Elk?
Elk.
I'm going to ask the same question I asked him. Have you ever seen an elk before?
Yes.
Big advantage.
I don't know if I have an advantage. I'm not a good cook, and I've never used a Traeger, so we'll see what happens.
How are you going to cook that deer?
Elk?
Elk, big deer.
Well, I'm gonna give it a little Sean Deere touch, and I'm gonna mix it with a little bit of wild boar bacon, and see how she rides. And then I'm gonna season the hell out of it, powder it like a baby's bottom, and then I'm gonna take some barbecue sauce to it. Put that shit on a Hawaiian bun, roast that Hawaiian bun a little bit with some cheese, and then slap some Chick-fil-A sauce on it and call it good, I think.
Yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and rank this. It's going to be Duck number 1, Dylan 2, Dylan Marlowe 3, and Sean's last place for sure. You're judging. Just right off the bat who you got picked, because I'm going to be honest, some of these boys are awful skinny.
I figure that big old boy down there could win.
That's what I said. No, and that dude right there, he cooking a bison. He never even seen no bison before.
No, he's not got a chance. No chance.
I'm cooking Dillon's All Ale Whitetail Jambalaya. You know why I named it that?
Why?
So when they take a bite of it, they're going to go, oh, hell, that's good.
Woo!
Do you think anyone will cook Canadian bacon?
I don't even know what Canadian bacon is. There's bacon, and then there's, what's Canadian bacon?
I think every time I've seen it, it's round.
So ham?
It's basically ham.
Okay. So why is it called Canadian bacon?
Canadians just wanted something that they could call their own, I think.
We just needed something.
Well, I know you're from Georgia. There's only one other fellow Georgia boy as a cook, and he's really skinny. Do you think that puts him at a disadvantage?
Slightly, because he don't know how to damn eat.
That's what I said. He's also cooking a bison. He's never even seen a bison before.
No, he's never seen a bison. I'll see a bison next week, so I'm going to Yellowstone. So, Dylan Marlowe, good luck, bud.
Sean, I just got to tell you, that's a delicious ass half of a hamburger right there made out of dog meat. I'd like to, before I reveal my score, tell you how I arrived at said score. First of all, that's a giant beast that you had the best. You can get it in your freezer. And for that sets the floor pretty high. I don't know how you killed it, but I know it's there. So congratulations on that. Secondly, and probably most important, as Sean clearly knows, when you have a meat that's very lean, like an elk, you gotta put some kind of fat in there, man. You gotta put a little grease on it. So he put me a big old heavy thick piece of cheese in there.
Oh, that's the American way.
The American way. And this is a very American 9 I'm giving Sean Stell. Over the top, baby.
Dylan, what did the dad buffalo say to the son buffalo when he went to school? What? He said, "Bye, son." Yes. Okay. Anyway,
I'm giving you a 10. I was already planning on giving you this because
Collusion.
No, it's not. What's that shit Biden does? Gas prices are real high and everything's real expensive.
Tells you to get
Inflation. This is not inflation. This is the truth.
all right. Next up, we have Duck. We also named as a Duck. This is Devlin Hodges. Your favorite quarterback.
Go for it. This is a 10 for me. This hit everything for me. First of all, presentation, great. Also served a cold beer with the food, love that. This cheese dip, you're gonna make some of that for me again, absolutely. The kebab, perfectly cooked, great amount of smoke, great flavor, 10 out of 10.
I'm gonna chug this beer just to celebrate because I'm about to win this shit.
I love the confidence.
And I tell you, the presentation is a paper plate, and I did that on purpose because jambalaya is about fellowship, it's about gathering. What would you see at a family reunion? Jambalaya and a paper plate with a plastic fork.
Dillon Carmichael, every Dillon that's brought something up here tonight has made something delicious, and you're no exception. And I thought if I ate like that, maybe it would help me just sing like you was in my mind. The jury's out on that. I will let you know what the people of Illinois think about that tomorrow. But the fact that you executed a dish from someplace that's not exactly where you're from at such a high level, some more fat with the lean meat right there. You got some scrimps in there, and I picked me out some of those. And I just have to tell you that I'm giving you a 10 because
I'm a damn redneck as well. The only thing that kept me from giving you a 10 is because I watched it down on the beer that Duck Hodges brought me. But phenomenal flavor, brother. I'll give you a 9.
Hey, thank you, man. I appreciate it.
It's ending in a cornhole challenge between Dillon and Dillon Carmichael and Dylan Marlowe. It could be anybody's game, but I have a feeling that Dylan Marlowe is probably better at cornhole. But Dillon Carmichael has really been a silent assassin in this. I don't know.
on behalf of me and Mary, we'd like to present to you this aluminum belt buckle. May you take it with you in your travels. Dillon Marlowe's the winner, y'all.
Thank y'all for coming out tonight, for real. It's a great cause.
I take back everything that I had said about you. I never really doubted you. I knew that you would make your state proud. I know. I felt like the underdog because I'm so skinny. But like I said, I eat a lot of calories a day. It just doesn't show yet. A lot of sources have told me that one day it will show up, but it has not been the day that it showed up yet. I don't know what to do with my hands. I'd like to congratulate you on your second belt buckle you've won with us, and go Dogs. Yeah, go Dogs.
I think considering this is the first time we've ever done this, it went really successful. The rain held off. We've raised a bunch of money for Catch a Dream. We've had some incredible artists involved. It went really smoothly. There were no hiccups, really. We sold a bunch of merch, a bunch of stuff for Catch a Dream. It was great.
And now I think we're going to go bow fishing tomorrow, and yeah, y'all look up Catch a Dream. If you can, donate. It's a great cause. So, we out.
We out.